What's up? I got a Flowmaster Super 44 put in place of my Flowmaster 40 Series original, and I was going to do a video of the interior resonance on the highway. We'll get up to about 55, but we got some cars coming. They're going real fast, but here we go. After about third gear, it gets pretty quiet, which I guess is good because it's kind of annoying, but it sounds good when you're like accelerating. And the reason I got this is I wanted to change it. My friend was selling it because he got true duals, but he was selling it for real cheap, 55 bucks. Put it off him, paid 60 at the exhaust shop to weld it in. It sounds real good. A lot louder than the other one. I'm very pleased with it. But I mean, you can hear it like when you hit it. Like, let's see, I'm going 45. Let's see, I'll get up to 55 pretty fast. Let's see. So it does sound good. And later I'll do a cold start and some revs outside of the truck. Let's see what else. It is a good muffler if you want something. I don't know. If you want something loud, get this. Unless you're going straight pipes. But if you want something a little quieter, go 40 series or 50 series even. Because 50 would be pretty quiet. Got to pass these people right here in a second. Definitely a good muffler. Flowmaster makes it's a good company. And a lot of my friends have, straight pipes with no cats. That's just, I mean, I'd want that, but I think it'd get annoying after a little while, So, and this doesn't. If I had to compare this to the 40 series, I would say definitely is a lot better. Louder, deeper rumble. I don't know, just in general better, especially when you're outside of the car. But that's it for interior, I guess. It's mostly loud when you accelerate, so I guess I will do another video of acceleration. Alright, here goes some acceleration at medium, I don't know, medium RPM, medium speed. Sounds good. It gets people's attention. It's a good sound.